guys, welcome back to my channel, and these are some ChatGPT tips I think you will find very helpful if you ever use any writing bot, ChatGPT, Bing, Gemini, Cloud, and any other one. Start by doing this. Save your best prompts in one place. You've probably typed out some prompts that are quite golden to you, that gave you the exact result you want, that you really love the answer, the clean answer, the perfect result that ChatGPT or any other bot gave to you. So don't rely on your memory to always remember those prompts. Create a Google Doc or any form of document or your notepad or note on your Windows or whatever, then save those prompts. You can label them and organize them by the particular kind of task or activity you are doing with the writing bot at that point in time. Maybe like have different Google documents for different kind of prompts. So you can easily copy and repaste it, and you are creating your own form of ChatGPT. You are training ChatGPT, or you are able to give the writing bot something better to work with to give you the kind of answers that you want. Let's talk about the next one. This one actually changes how the writing bots think. Just ask it to give you the result step by step. Add the word step by step, whether it's a process or you're trying to solve a problem. This actually helps it to keep things structured and easy to follow, and it works for everything. Another one people actually sleep on is you want to create multiple email templates, video title ideas. Don't just ask ChatGPT to just do it for you. Show it one solid example and it will follow that format across the rest. Trust me, this small thing makes the output feel way more human. And now, something that is actually also cool is that use image analysis. You can upload an image, maybe it's a design or even a thumbnail, even handwritten notes, and ask ChatGPT for suggestions, improvement, or ideas. You need it to identify something. Done. Want feedback on your YouTube banner, or your YouTube thumbnail, or anything? Maybe like I can upload the thumbnail to this video to ChatGPT and ask it question about it. Do you think this would capture attention? What do you think I should change about this? It would give you suggestions. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the fact that download the mobile app version of the chatbot you use. In this contest, we are using ChatGPT. Yeah, download the mobile version so you can always have it on the go. If you haven't done that already, I trust you probably have done that already. So, you know, that lets you do everything the desktop version also does, but with your voice. Yes. With your voice, you can talk to ChatGPT with your voice. You can ask it questions in words like, ChatGPT, please, my car is making a squeaking sound after I hit a bump. What do you think the problem could be? ChatGPT is definitely going to respond. Okay, so you speak instead of typing when you have the phone app. So let's go deeper. Try Custom GPTs. These are like specialized version of ChatGPT. You can either build your own yourself or use one that are already made. And if you are building your own GPT, think of it like a mini training, like you're training the bot on how to handle your own exact workflow. Always check for plagiarism. ChatGPT pulls from a huge pile of data. So if you are using it to write essay or anything academic, run it through a plagiarism checker so ChatGPT doesn't put you into trouble. So that's a ChatGPT tip for you. Also, look out for that AI writing field. There's just this way that AI writes that doesn't feel human. And one of the prompts I use to get rid of that is I tell AI that I want it to write something for me. Add to the prompt saying avoid all AI writing nuances. So it takes all those commonly used words by AI away. Sometimes it's just better to grab the fact and rewrite it in your own words after ChatGPT has generated it for you, if that works for, I'm talking about for academics. Now, this one is actually one important one if you are a student. Upload a document and get quizzed on it. So maybe like you've read the handout and you can just upload it to ChatGPT, then tell ChatGPT that, oh, your exam will be based on this handout or based on this textbook if you have the soft copy, and then even you can snap it and upload it to ChatGPT one by one. I think they will let you upload a limited number per day, so you can over a couple of days upload as many as possible, and ChatGPT can start asking you questions to test your knowledge on it, so it can be some form of study guide for you. So it will quiz you on that. It throws questions at you, explain the answer, and help you review in a way that actually stick. It's like turning your notes into a flashcard. Okay, leave that out. Also, Plan your life with ChatGPT. I am not kidding. Yes, you can throw your to-do list, travel plan, even your week's schedule at ChatGPT, and it will rearrange it for you in a smart way. I have seen it organize study plan and my itinerary and even a full YouTube workflow. It is like a digital planner, but with ideas and suggestions actually baked in. So the last thing I'm going to be sharing with you is use the DALL to generate images. Yes, you just need to type in what you want in details, like retro style poster of a robot drinking. You know, as a graphic designer, sometimes it has actually helped a lot that I don't need to, to search for some kind of stock images. Sometimes I use AI images sometimes, although it doesn't give the best, so you can actually use ChatGPT for storyboard, like as a cinematographer. Yeah, ChatGPT does good storyboarding. You can use it for mood boards, product mock-up, anything visual at all. It is fast and it's built in, and the quality way better than people expect. So there you have it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I know they feel this video, Jerry.